Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a real video from the profile grid on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and select a Reels video from your profile and click to the three dots at the upper side of the Reels video, and here you can find the remove from profile grid option under the edit button, and click that, and new, click to the remove button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.